welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have an unboxing from Glamierre. I am so freaking excited. Yes, I'm so excited. I literally have not gotten a package from Glamierre in so long. I have worked with Glamierre for a while, just with like helping them out and stuff like that, like giving them ideas, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm excited to get a PR package. I'm excited. I'm ready, honey. It's my moment to shine. So without further ado, let's crack on into it. So it's this giant ass box. I thought I'd put it on its side just to kind of see what's in here, but I'm just gonna open it up. There's a lot of, I don't even know what's in here, but oh my god, this looks like it's, oh my god, okay guys, this looks like it might be the liner collection, the UV liner collection. Oh my gosh, yes, rave time, come at me. Yes, it is the UV Luxe liners. Oh my gosh, is this every color? Oh my god, literally mind blown right now. Oh my gosh, this must be every color. I just want to open this. I just want to open this. Come on. Alright, yes. Oh my god, look at this. So it's UV liners, so you mix it with water, and look at that. It literally, it glows in the dark. I need to go get my black light so we can see. Yes, look. Look how this is lighting up right now. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Look. Oh my god. I am really freaking excited. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. That is lighting up like neon as. What colors do we have? This, I'm so excited. Oh my god. So we got orange splash, blueberry pop, peach cream, azure, mint lime. Oh my god. These sound beautiful. Sugar cane, violet, sunset, blood orange, Ibiza, smoke, and we have frosty. Oh my god, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these. I really want to see what the peach cream looks like. I feel like it's going to be a peachy orange. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try these. Oh my god, look. I wonder if this one's UV too. I'm like, let's see, honey. Yes! This one's UV too. Oh my god, you guys, like, I don't know if you can see like how hard out. It's just shining bright as, like, look. It's not going with my nails or anything, but look at that. That's how it's shot. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. Oh my gosh, guys, are you guys ready to do some UV looks? So ready. All right. Just going to pick these up because there's actually more in here. I don't even know how much more is in there. That is more than enough. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. So then we've got, we have, oh, there's something in this. Oh my gosh, these heaps. What is this? All right. Now we've got in here, yes, what is it? We have, ooh, this is such a pretty bag. That is so freaking cute. All right, there's something in this bag. I'm thinking it might be brushes. Honestly, Glamierre brushes are amazing. They slap, they are so stunning. They literally are so good. Oh my god. Bejeweled heaven, look at these. Oh my god. These are freaking stunning. Are you kidding me? Look at this. Oh my gosh, these are literally so freaking pretty. Like, look, honestly, if you love bejeweledness, they have gone next level with these. Look at this brush. Look at the detailing on this brush with all of the glitters, and oh my god. Honestly, I'm really excited. Glamierre has stepped up. If you guys followed Glamierre from the start, you would see like that, you know, yeah, they had good items, really good items, like nice, affordable, and that's what I love about them. They're freaking affordable. But now they've stepped it up. Like, honey, UV, that kind of thing. Oh my gosh, guys, I just can't. All right, there's more. What have we got in here? Looks like we've got the whole black marble brush set. Oh my gosh, let me rip open this bag. Honestly, their brushes are so amazing. I cannot stress that like out. These brushes are legit so amazing. And now I have a whole set. Oh my god, I've always wanted a set. These are so amazing, and just like the quality of them is so soft. Like, literally the softest face brushes ever. Like, vegan and cruelty free. Like, you literally cannot go wrong. Look at these. There are so many of these. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What an amazing haul. Honestly, what an amazing haul. All right, what do we have here? Stop it. Oh my god, yes, it's the Rainbow Artistry palette. I've been wanting this palette literally since it came out like a couple years ago. Oh my god, so I had the original one, and the original one was really, really good, and then they've given her an upgrade with this rainbow packaging. Honestly, oh my god, look. Oh my gosh, she's in another layer. She's in another layer. Look. Oh my god, look at the glitters and all of the colors, like literally every color you could ask for, honey. She's here. Like these glitters. Look at that. Look at that. That is, oh my god, that is stunning. That is such a stunning one. And then I'm like, the yellow. Oh my god. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. If you guys want reviews on any of these, I'm going to tell you now, there's going to be a shit ton. So just let me know what you guys want first. But 35 pigmented eyeshadows. And look how freaking cute it is as well. It's adorable. I don't think that there's anything else. No, it feels like that there is. So I'm wondering what this could be. I don't know. Let's see. The Dream Artistry. Oh my god, what an iridescent world god is this palette. I have not seen this palette. What is this palette? I need to know. What is this palette? I have not seen you before, honey. You must be new. Like, sweetie. What are you? The Dream Artistry. Ultra pigmented eyeshadows. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. This is amazing. I'm sorry, who in their right mind had the audacity to design something so beautiful? This palette, oh my god. The amount of eye looks I'm gonna do with this. I'm going to fuck up this palette so badly. This is so up my alley. The nudes and then the pops of purple. Oh my god. Look at this and the iridescent. I can't. Oh my god. And also just the yellow on my hand. It's so creamy and so nice, but like that glitter. Oh my god. I freaking love that. I love that. Oh my god. Okay. Well, holy heck. So what did I get from Glamierre? I got a shit ton. What did we get here? We got the Dream Artistry, which is stunning, amazing. The Dream Artistry, it's the dream. We got the Rainbow Artistry, amazing, stunning, can't go wrong. Then we have these amazing, this amazing black marble brush set. Yes, yes, we love that. And then we have these little beautiful, oh my gosh, this little case. First of all, case is amazing, but these bejeweled, like, I'm loving the pink and the green glitters in there. Honestly, sweetie, this is, yes, cream of the crop. And then we've got the mother load of all UV liners that I've ever seen in my life. We have a million UV liners. Honestly, thank you so much, Glamierre, for sending this to me. I'm so freaking excited. UV liners, eyeliner time. Oh my god, I'm gonna glow. I'm literally just gonna make black light and just be like, honey, I am ready with my black light. Ready, I'll be like, this is my makeup. Do you like it? That's literally what I'll be doing. Thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite thing is that you're excited for. Like, what do you want to see? What do you want to see me like get into? Let me know. But until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.